We'll guide you through how to block and unblock on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to block someone, perhaps they're annoying you and you don't want them to see your content or see theirs, or vice versa. You want to go and unblock them so you can see theirs and they can see yours. We'll guide you through how this can be done. So you need to go and head to the person's profile you want to go block. If it's on the view page, you can tap their name at the bottom and get to their account, or press search in the top right, and you can go and search who you want to go and block. Let's say I want to do it with GuideRealm here. I could go and search for it. Then you can press the share button in the top right, and you can press block at the bottom and confirm the decision. Now, if you want to go and unblock them, what you can do is press profile in the bottom right, press the three lines in the top right, go down and press settings and privacy, scroll down and press blocked accounts, and you can then choose the account and press unblock to the right and block them. Alternatively, you can just go back to the search and search for their account, and it'll say blocked by you, and you can press unblock and confirm your decision. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.